one person that, you know, look, we're going to lose Srebrenici in the peace settlement anyway. Why don't we just make some political points on this? And even if they all get slaughtered, we didn't do it. That the Srebrenica enclave was ultimately untenable was obvious to anyone who could look at a map.
On the 26th of June, 1995, President A.Izetbegovica ordered an attack on the little Serb village of Višnja. He wanted to divert the Serb focus on Sarajevo. Four Serbs were killed, sheep were stolen, and houses were torched. A lot of families were made homeless. The only thing the attackers left behind was a clue to who they were, a package with American-manufactured first aid kits. There were no military targets connected to this place, only Serb families working on their farms. For the Serbs, this attack became a marching order. On the 6th of July, 1995, the Serb general Ratko Mladic attacked Srebrenica.
There had been killings in the Drina River Valley on both sides before the Bosnian Civil War officially began in April 1992. Serbs there have always been very nationalist. The Bosniaks there have always been very, very nationalist, going back to before World War II. So there was a lot of settling of scores in 92, 93, 94, a lot of, more than 1,300 Serb civilians butchered by Muslim forces under Nasser Oric. It was very clear that if Srebrenica